everyone, welcome back to our Ryan Kids TV with another fantastic video. Today we are going to be making the craft version of the puppet toy. So you will need a few origami papers to get started. So first you need to take one end of your color sheet and you have to put it all the way down. And then remember to crease it. And then you have to do the same with the other side. Then you have to take one end and fold it in half. Then do it with the other part. Then you have to take one of these ends and then you have to take this end and this end and put it right inside. Okay, then you have to take one flap and you have to put it all the way up. And then you have to bring it back down and then you'll see a small line here. Then you have to take the end and then you have to put it just like this. Then you have to fold it again this way. And there should be a point coming out. Then you have to fold it back in like this. And after you did that part, you have to flip it over. Then you have to do the same thing. You have to do it all, put it all the way up, like that. Take the corner, and then you have to fold it back and in. And then you have to fold it back like this. And then you have to put one of your finger in here, and then another in here. And then you have to fold this part, then fold this part too, and then put it like that. It should be the same on each side. If it is, you did it correctly. And then you have to take it all the way back up. And then you have to fold it back out. Then you have to put the corner there. And this time you have to take this edge and put it like you're making a bookmark, like that. And then you have to do the same with this side. And then you have to take that part and you'll see a line in the middle of this triangle. Then you have to take it and then put it right over there. And then you'll see another line over here, and with that other line, you have to fold it up. And then you have to turn it to the other side. Then you have to put it like that. Open it again. Take the code. You have to take this and put it like this. Then take this part again and put it in like this. And then the line part. And then you have to take some glue and you have to stick that part, then stick it like that, and then you have to take this part and stick like that. I just added some glue, so after you did that, you have to open it up. Like that. And then with the rest of your paper, do exactly the same. It should make a puppet sound like this. So I made another 8 and now you just need to paste all of them together. Okay. you have to stick everything together. So my fidget topper craft just finished drying and it looks awesome. Now you can try to do it yourself and you can pop it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, bye and have a lovely day.